The GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum scooter from Pride Mobility is proudly made in America of foreign and domestic parts. The unit will ship to you in one box. First, remove the bands and cut open the box. Remove all items in the box to make sure you have everything you need to assemble your scooter. You should have the following: seat, armrest assembly, battery pack, basket with second set of red shrouds, seat post, battery charger, and owner's manual. The GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum will ship with the black matte shrouds attached to the scooter. An additional set of red matte shrouds will be in the basket if you choose not to use the original black shrouds. If using the red shrouds, you must attach the Pride emblem to the top front shroud that is supplied in the owner's manual. For the fender shrouds, there are round cutouts underneath the shroud that you simply pop out with your finger and replace. When assembling the scooter, first attach the seat post to the seat post receiver. Note there are holes in the seat post for adjusting the seat to floor height. Once determined, use the large detent pin supplied and insert it to keep the seat in place. Now, attach your battery pack. Next, we will attach the seat to the seat post. Simply line up the seat and slide into the seat post. Now, attach the armrest to the seat by using the turn knob and a small detent pin that secures the arm to the seat. Simply slide the armrest into the seat receiver. When the desired width is found, use the small detent pin and the turn knob to secure the armrest. Repeat on the other side. Attach the front basket, and then on the bottom of the tiller, there is a knob that locks the tiller in place. Unlock by turning the knob. In the owner's manual, you will find a set of 2 keys. Insert the key and make sure the scooter is working properly. Now that everything is working correctly, your setup of the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum is complete.